Hello friends! Today I am going to tell you how to use same WhatsApp account on two phones without WhatsApp web. Yes friends, it is actually possible and I'll tell you how you can do it. It is not difficult at all. You don't have to download any software or application. Neither you have to use WhatsApp web. You just have to follow simple steps. And that's it. So let's find out. Firstly, you need to remove your SIM card from second phone. Now install WhatsApp from Play Store on your second phone. Please note that if you have already installed WhatsApp on this phone, then uninstall that and install it again. Now open WhatsApp on your second phone. Select the language of your choice and tap on Next. Then tap on Agree and Continue. Now here is the trick. Click on three dots on the top right corner when WhatsApp asks to enter your phone number. Then tap on Link a Device. You will now see a QR code displayed on your screen. Now switch to your primary device to scan this code. Open WhatsApp on your primary device. Press on the three-dot menu on the top right corner. Now select Link Devices. Click on Link a Device. A QR code scanner will appear on your screen. Scan the QR code on your secondary phone. The best part is that WhatsApp on both devices will work independently. What this means that even if your primary phone is not connected to internet, you can still use WhatsApp on your second phone with an active internet connection. This is an easy way to use WhatsApp on two different phones with same number without WhatsApp web. So friends, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.